Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW329 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband, make sure that the battery level on your band is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Also, if you want to factory reset your smartband through the phone application, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the 9sport application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the 9sport application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the application, wait until the data is done synchronizing. After it's done, you should see the home page of the application. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, find the more settings option and tap on it, and then tap on clear data. Clear data right here. And then you can tap on delete to confirm. Your band should reset itself to the factory default settings after a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you factory reset this band by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.